Hi everyone and welcome to explorerhop. So today we're going to find out which quadrants is the graph f of x equals 1 over x in. So I already drew the graph and also labeled all the quadrants. So we have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. And I also made a table of y and x values on the right side with the equation y equals 1 over x. So first let's plug in all of the x values into the equation to get the y values. So first, negative 3. So y equals 1 over negative 3 is equal to negative 0.33 ... And 1 over negative 2 is negative 0.5. 1 over negative 1 is just negative 1. 1 over negative 0.5 is equal to negative 2. And 1 over 0 is undefined, so we're just going to put un. And that means that any 0 value in the denominator will always come out as undefined, and this will give us a vertical asymptote. 1 over 0.5 would be equal to 2. 1 over 1 is 1. 1 over 2 is 0.5, and 1 over 3 is 0.33, whoops, ... So first, let's graph the vertical asymptote at x equals 0. And we can also observe that these numbers, no matter how big the x value gets, it will never get to a y value of 0. So this will let us assume that there is a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0 as well. So let's graph all of these values. So we have, let's start off with 0.5 as 2. So we have it here. 1, 1, 2, 0.5, and 3, 0.33. Then we have negative 0.5. Then we have negative 1 and negative 1. Negative 2, negative 0.5. And negative 3, negative 0.33. And we can see that the behavior of the graph is always approaching an asymptote. So using this graph and all these values, we can conclude that the quadrants that f of x equals 1 over x is in is quadrant 1 and quadrant 3.